Welcome to the video number 2 of how to edit your post, how to add styling. We will learn how to use HTML tags for the same purpose. First of all, H1 to H6 in the in this symbol H1 H1 to H6 you have a header. You can say this tag is for heading. As you can see, I have added heading 1 to heading 6. How the difference is. If I want to add the line between these all headings, I just add HR in these symbols, and you can see a small line is created between these all headings. Now I have pasted a paragraph here, and if I want to bold my text, I will simply add B tag by closing it in last, and if I want to get italic my text, I will add I tag in start and in last with closings. And if I want to both use if I want to use both tags, I can use them also. As you can see, bold and italic, and here is the result. I hope you can understand heading 1. And if we want a break between our lines, we will simply add br tag in in the section where we want a cut between lines. As you can see, the cut is created, the space will be created in my post. Now our post is simple, and our text is simple in the post. If we want to justify our paragraphs and justify our text, we will simply use this text in the start and in last of our post, so our text will be justified and it will look beautiful. You can see the comparison between the first one and now this edited one. So in the next video we will learn how to create a table by using HTML and markdowns. Happy streaming, take care.